When the money done, fun done, you come at your yard. So you want to take my money if you take this girl go disco.
Yo.
Murder!
You know why you're singing for that out there, you hear that?
Mosquito murder me thing there.
Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah.
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah.
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Hey Dad, can you do me a favor? What's that, son? I was wondering if you can lend me a bit of cash. Cash? What do you need some cash for? Well, you see, I'm going to take this girl to the disco, you know? Oh, sweet. Yeah, sure, mate. Hopefully you get lucky as well. Yo, Dada, you can do me a favor? What kind of favor you want? Kind of low up on cash. I wonder if you could have lend me some. So you need the cash for? Well, I need some cash because I take a girl to the disco. Hold on, let me ask you something. You say you're low up on cash. That means that you have money. Only a little bit of money I have, Dada. By the time I pay for go in and buy a drink, it done. Well, here what I go on when the money done, fun done, you come at your yard. So you want to take my money if you take this girl go disco. Use my money for wine and dine this girl. But when me get in return, me no get no wine and dine. Me give you my money when me work hard for. Eh? You know how much blood, sweat and tears me go through for earn my money. I want to give you my good money. For you go take pan a girl who probably all a boops you out. But disco take off your clothes.
What is it you want?
Where are you living, so bossy?
I said, what is it you want?
See, I listen here. Bad man. And I beg me come beg you nothing, you know. Buy me, I come buy something, you know.
What do you need, eh?
What the one did that thick porridge accent, boy? Yeah? Look at the nails in the umbrella. I beg you.
Porridge! 3 days.
What?
You will be out for 3 days.
Why am I not?
Goodbye, my friend.
So sir, in a few words, can you tell me why should I give you the job? Well mate, I'm a hard worker, you know, I'm very reliable and I'll get the job done for you, man. The reason why you give me the job, I become see a sign outside where say you need help. Alright, now you need me no need your job. This is the thing, it's not down to I to tell the I if you hire I. It's down to the I if you know if I need I. You understand I?
But it just drop off winter my work and I go upstairs. I'm a book up on the elevator.
And then you offered to bring my groceries upstairs.
And we did bring the groceries upstairs. Ha! Bossy! Me say when me reach in our apartment, the clothes gone left, the groceries gone right. And when me start put on the pipe in us, hey, to put it this way, I tear up that lettuce. Me say me tear up the lettuce. You did find back the head of cabbage there? I don't think you did find it back. Remember say you couldn't even find your panty. Ask the nurse what she asked me panty for. Me fling that the panty for. Vibes cartel. If you never know. I mean, after that, we did a lot of copulating.
Every day.
And I lie, I miss them days there still.
Me too.
You remember that song, yeah?
Baby, time.
You remember that song, yeah?
Baby.
Hey! You remember it, though?
Hello, I'm Yard. Me want to go in a data war going right now. I want to your friend, man. I saw she stay. Watch. What do you mean want to her friend? Want to she have her 3 picnic in her bed asleep right now. You have kids and your body looks so good. Thanks. 3 kids me have, you know. Hello, she no want no man and her body no shape good. A waist train and she have her.
Yo.
Murder!
You know why you're singing for that out there, you hear that?
Mosquito murder me thing there. Yo, dog, you know the mosquito down there.
Down where? Are you the idiot? Chuck.
Murder go on 2 hand get the blame. Mama I go ball down a mosquito lane. How we go clap them and no like we shame. Kill everything and not one fi remain. What fi change if my hand get sprained? Mosquito I go dead slippers clap them the same. Chick V, Zick V, 1 bag of paint to them bitch panny wall and just clap out them. Hush! Mosquito want for full of my place. Them bite me on my elbow, my neck, my back and my face. Destroy I use that in case. As them fly off, me clap on, send them in the darkest place. Them fly lean, clap them straight. Tell them no levitate. Them do that, a big mistake. Kill mosquito me now wait. Them days numbered like a license plate. Now if you run now, now if you go. Could I use the spray, but me the rather kill you. Me say anyway you fly me, you clap it so. Mosquito, how would that you do?
Case closed. Next case. Yeah, now the next case is a man and woman a fight over who fi have the child, you know. So let me ask you something, Empress. Why do you feel like you should have the custody of the child? Your Honor, I carried that baby for 9 months. I went through a 24-hour labor with that baby. I went through so much pain, morning sickness. While I was giving birth, he was out with his friends. Not only that, every child, every baby needs their mother. So the baby should stay with me. Alright, Ballhead, why you? Yo, Your Honor, let me ask you something. You see, if I go to a vending machine and I put my money into that machine and then a can of drink come out of that machine, does that can of drink belong to me or the machine? Well, the can of drinks belong to you. I rest my case.
Sir Erland Bartley. Well. You stay there talk about well. It's going to be a prison cell.
Fucking fool.
You know, say a long time I want to hear so. Mr. Hype Man.
Fuck you, farm. I come from some entitled to hype.
You go on here. We have your person over the next interview room and he might tell we everything.
My good friend got on me enemy.
You never know. Yeah, man, he might tell we everything.
You know, like, look how you looking for me and them did a shred.
Yeah, well, right now, you get sell out. And they might tell you where all I gun them there.
Suck your mother umbrella, you a story, tell her nothing what you say. You don't believe. Better say love, better say loyalty.
Oh, you don't believe? You don't believe? You don't believe? I want that. What that?
Look like one of my phone could have passed you and I me get that.
What going on, Nikisha? I just there one party down the road and I enjoy myself. Yeah, alright still. Oh my God. The little dirty dry head girl just walk come in here. Now Renee me attack. Watch her now. She go on like she nice. Her dress them they even look good. She has to wear some ugly clothes. I say I can't stand her, man. John know. I don't know why she coming here. Who invite her into the place for? I don't even know. But wait, she come over. Wait. What go on, Shay? How you been? Long time I not see you. What go on, my friend? You know, so I just step on the phone and talk about you and I say a long time I not see you. I can't wait to see you. You look good to my... Hey, where you buy that dress from? Please tell me, come on, want to buy one, you know?
Who in the class can use the word wheelchair in a sentence?
Me, sir.
Please, go ahead.
Sir, last week my brother went to church. And when we reached the church, the usher said, we only have one seat left. And he can only give it to one of us. And we look for the usher and say, that's okay. Wheelchair.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Dad, guess what? Alright, son, what's up? I passed my driving test. I got my license now. Well done, son. I know you could do it. Hey, Dad, can I borrow the car and go for a spin? Of course you can. The key's on the side there, mate. Get your mom to stick you on the insurance. Yo, Dad, what go on? Yo, what go on, son? Pass my driving test. I have my license now, you know. Yeah, man, I know you could have do it, man. Well done, son. Daddy, me I wonder, like, me can borrow the car and go for a little spin. Who for car? Your car. My car with me work and pay for. I must have drink mad puss piss. Look like you lick your head after you pass your test. Boy, drive my car. Boy, you want to take my car for your little spin. Go spin on your head till you're dizzy. That's the spin that you figure do. Let me ask you something. Before you go get the license, you never know say you need a car for drive. Yeah. So why you never get a car before you get license, eh? What kind of idiot you be? You run go get license and don't have a car for drive. Now you want to drive my car? You're mad, man. But nothing. You think when you drive and crash and mash up my car, me can go mechanic and tell them but fix what? Fix nothing. Drive me car. Drive you wouldn't know and all of that you have to do.
Yeah, man, just give me them there. How much? 12.99 to take care. Yes, we do. Alright. Try it again, man. It no good. I cut. What? Cut. I cut. It no good. Cut what? Yo, I'm say try it again. The money probably not even reach over. Just try it again. No. It no good. I cut. No good. I cut. Look at the bin front. Cut me can and me call immigration. Look here. Shabba no ranks. I got my green cards, you mother bitch. I am an America. Which part are you American? I am an America. Saddam Shitstein. Which part are you American? I am an America. Me just come over here on a visa last week. I'm more American than you. God, no good. I cut. Don't cut me card. I took the hammer like that. Cut off the card. Access plus multi-link. I cut. Yo, don't cut me card. I cut. Yeah, man, look at you, that boy over there, so I'm on this. I've been fraud. Yeah, man, I see him on part 83. I cut. The boy, I call him friend and bar. I cut. Alright, watch over.
that's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kevin2Crazy. Peace.